welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another Buc-Ees taste test. This is the last and final video of Buc-Ees snacks. So today I have 3 flavors of pork rinds, and they are Buc-Ees brand. So the first flavor is Habanero pork rinds. I'm hoping these are spicy. Again, Buc-Ees brand. Second one that I'm super excited to try is Dill. And then the last one is the chili lime one. I hope this one's spicy too. So those 3 I'm gonna be trying for you today. And if you haven't watched my other 2 videos, you should go check them out. I will try to link them. Those snacks, the last 2 snacks are also from Buc-Ees. If you haven't been to Buc-Ees, I highly recommend. Buc-Ees is a really big gas station that has tons and tons of food and snacks. And you could also do a bit of shopping there, and they make a lot of homemade stuff. So, but I'm gonna try these today. So I think the first one, maybe, okay, let's try, usually I do what I think I'm gonna like the least to most, but I think I'm gonna try this one first, the Dill. This one's the one I'm most excited about. So I think I'm gonna try that one first this time. So, yep, it just says Dill pork rinds, again, the Buc-Ees brand. Let's see. Smells like dill. They just look like regular store-bought pork rinds. Just simple. Not too much there. But they do smell like dill. Okay, let's take a taste. Yep. Yeah, that's good. I love, wait a minute. It doesn't say anything about spice, but I feel like it has a spice to it. I was trying to read, there's a little thing here. Doesn't say anything about spicy, but I feel like it has a hint of spice. Did not expect that. It does have a big, not big, but it does have a dill flavor. Probably not my favorite dill snack I've tasted. But it's still good. I feel like this is more of like a fake pickle flavor, but it's still really good. I like it, and I will definitely be eating these. But yeah, that's actually really good. Like I said, it has like a very, very small, slight spice to it. Yeah, that was definitely unexpected. Because I'm hoping if the regular dill had spice, then these will have spice. So let's do the chili lime one. So let's do this one next. Oops, for the bag. Yeah, it smells like chili. Yeah, it smells like a Cajun flavor. You can see the little specks of red on it. I'm hoping that it's spicy. I could taste the chili flavor. Okay, If I lick my lips with the powder on it, then I can taste the lime. But it doesn't come through that much. This is okay. Okay, now I taste the lime again. It's all right. Flavor's okay. I just feel like these flavors taste kind of like a fake. I mean, I know it's just seasoning put on there, but yeah, not my favorite. It's still good, but not my favorite. I kind of feel like they just dumped chili powder or something on it. But yeah, that was okay. This is not my favorite. So far, I feel like they haven't impressed me yet. But don't get me wrong, they're still good. And the chili lime, very, very mild heat-wise. Which I didn't really expect it to be spicy. I was hoping. Now the last one is habanero, so I'm really hoping this is spicy. It looks very similar, maybe. Yeah, they look similar. I smell something. Now this looks like a little more spice than the other one. A little more seasoning than the other one. So let's hope it's spicy. Like I said, I do smell like it would be spicy. One thing about all these pork rinds is they're very soft. I feel like they're very powdery. Okay, this one has a little more heat. Ooh, yeah. Okay, now this one is a little spicy. I really like the flavor. It has the habanero flavor. It has like, it has the heat, but the heat doesn't make the pork rind unbearable to eat. Yeah, I think this one's my favorite. I think it's this one. Then comes this one. And then this one last. Because this one wasn't, like I said, it just tastes like somebody dumped chili powder in it. And it had very, 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 very slight lime flavor. But this, the flavor's good. The heat's good. It's not overwhelming heat. It's just a slight heat. It's bearable. You can enjoy the snack. So that's why I like it. I like whenever snacks are hot, but you can still enjoy it. And then the dill does have the dill flavor, but it's not my favorite. But then they were all really good. Yeah, I would definitely go back and get the habanero one. Yeah, that's really good. But yeah, those were all my snacks that I got from Buc-Ees. Well, my husband got from Buc-Ees. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know if you decide if you visit a Buc-Ees. Let me know what you get and what you thought. So I hope to see you in the next video. Bye, guys.